Ice Lance debuff on them so that it increases my crit chance for whenever I do want to shatter them, you know. Okay, I'm gonna Poly Warrior and CC Warrior drain.
I dotted the warrior. Sorry.
Oh, okay, it's okay, it's okay. I got him slow.
Foil the priest.
Okay,
Fear ward
gotcha.
down. Full fear on priest. Fuck yellow west.
It's okay.
Full fear on priest. Go warrior.
I can follow up with a CS as well.
Following CS now. Blanket it.
Okay.
Can you follow it?
Yeah. Got him.
Oh, he healed. He's healing, I don't know how.
He's dead here.
Oh my god. Nice. Fucking nice poly, dude. Good shit, man.
Got his shit, motherfucker.
I'm eating.
It's okay.
Dude, that was a really nice fucking train on the priest, man.
Yeah, actually, I'm saving that one. That one is going in the archives because we both played like fucking animals right there, dude.
Yep.
You fucking. That was a excellent call to go on the warrior. Like, excellent call. He was line of sighting the priest.
The priest
like,
was
your
in Mars by fear. Yeah.
Oh my. I'm just gonna watch that.